Hey guys, Jethro here with the Seymour Team, and we're saving a little bit of money doing some work on our house. What we're doing is waterproofing our deck so we can use the space underneath it a little bit more and be sure that it'll be nice and dry. Here's what it looks like before, and it requires 2 coats of some pretty good stuff. It's called Hydroband. You can use this in pools, on decks, in bathrooms, and this whole thing will be completely covered. You can see it's actually kind of gray, but as you go over here it turns more olive, and that means it's cured. So you have to wait till it's cured and then you can do the second coat. And we're doing a little bit of a time lapse, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Over the weekend we spent a little bit of time waterproofing our deck. As you can see by this olive green, we used a product called Hydroband, and that allows us to seal this deck and make sure that no water penetration gets to the room below. It's a really good product, and it'll hopefully last for years. It's cementitious, so what that means is it's load bearing and it can take the weight of flagstone, which is what we're gonna put on top here, and that way it won't get damaged. It's a high quality product. It takes 2 to 3 coats and should be about 0.78 mil in height. Over those 3 coats, 2 or 3 coats, depending on what you want to do. And you have to get into the seams and do it all very detailed. But, spend the weekend doing that, saved a little bit of dough from the contractors, which is always nice, and looks really good. I'll show you the flagstone in a second when you come out front. A couple of things to note about the application of the Hydroband. You want to cut the edges and the seams first. So right here on this edge here, you want to do that first with 2 coats, and then apply your actual coats on the regular flat part of the concrete deck. You also want to leave at least 2 hours after the first coat so that you get a proper adhesion and a proper waterproofing before you add the second coat. So at least 2 hours, they say, at 21 degrees and relative humidity of 50%. It was pretty hot here. It was 32 degrees the day I put it on, so it cured very, very quickly. You can see that it's all very uniform right across. There's no sort of patches or areas like that.